everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY, do-it-yourself skincare, and more specifically, how to create a gift basket tailored to the unique needs of mature skin. So if you're ready to get creative, let's get started. Now, you may be wondering what to include in this basket. First, consider a nourishing facial oil. It locks in moisture while providing essential nutrients. You can make it by blending rose hip oil, argan oil, and few drops of frankincense essential oil in a glass dropper bottle. Next up, a gentle exfoliating scrub. It's perfect for helping mature skin gently remove dead cells, revealing a brighter complexion. The perfect DIY recipe? Mix finely ground oats, almond meal, and a dash of powdered milk. And remember, hydration is key. So a hydrating face mask should be a part of the basket. How about one composed of aloe vera gel, avocado puree, and a spoon of honey? A luxurious hand cream is next on our list. Blend shea butter, coconut oil, and lavender essential oil. Whip the mixture until light and fluffy, then spoon into a tin. Add a tag that says, "A little goes a long way. Massage into hands daily." Also, consider a soothing lip balm. Melt 1 part beeswax, 2 parts coconut oil, and 2 parts shea butter together. Pour into small tins or tubes and add a drop of vanilla extract for a soft scent. And finally, bath salts. Mix Epsom salts, dried rose petals, and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Use a clear jar to showcase the beautiful blend and add a scoop or spoon for convenience. Adding some additional touches to the basket can really elevate it to another level. It could be as simple as adding a fluffy face towel or a sachet of dried lavender for a relaxing mood. And how about adding a calming herbal tea like chamomile or rooibos to support skin health from within? And definitely don't forget to include a heartfelt note with instructions and a reminder for them to take time for themselves. Now, we've assembled all these beautiful items into a lovely gift basket. Keep in mind, a great presentation can make your gift even more special. You can use a woven basket, a wooden box, or even a reusable storage container and fill it with shredded paper, natural raffia, or a soft cloth. Be sure to arrange items thoughtfully and add a finishing touch, like a bow or a sprig of dried lavender. Here's the beauty of DIY skincare and pampering basket. It's much more than a gift. It's thoughtfulness wrapped elegantly. You're giving mature skin the focus it deserves, and what's more, you're gifting love in the form of self-care and relaxation. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and sign up for my newsletter in the show notes below. Have you ever created a skincare basket before? Share your ideas or pictures in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with creativity and care.